Ever signed a Docusign document and then realized you needed to make a change, but weren't sure if you could? The truth is, once a document is signed via Docusign, it's generally considered finalized and ineditable. To maintain its legal validity, Docusign uses digital certificates to ensure the integrity of the document, and the signatures altering it after signing invalidates these certificates. However, there are a few workarounds. First, if the document is still in process and hasn't been fully signed by all parties, the sender might be able to use the correct feature within Docusign to modify it. This allows the sender to make changes and resend the document for signature. If the document is fully signed, the best approach is to contact the sender directly, explain the needed changes, and request that they void the original document. The sender can then create a new envelope with the corrected document and resend it to all parties for signature. It's a bit more involved, but ensures everyone signs off on the correct information. Another option, though it doesn't technically edit the signed document, is to create an addendum or a cover page. You can use a PDF editor to create a separate document outlining the changes and attach it to the original signed document. This provides a record of the corrections without altering the original signature. Remember, tampering with a digitally signed document can have legal consequences. Always prioritize transparency and clear communication with all parties involved. So, while directly editing a signed Docusign PDF isn't possible, these workarounds can help you address errors or changes effectively. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Docusign tips.